What's up everybody, it's Tanky Cubed, and today I'm coming to you with a US National Championship vlog. So this took place on the day before Nationals, the day before we competed, which was Thursday, and I'll be talking in and out throughout this video especially, not necessarily the next 3 vlogs, but yeah, also stay tuned for Keaton, Chris Olsen, and Phil Yu arm wrestling, and it's really, really funny. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be talking in and out of this video.
This was like 1953, and we are going to Portland.
Okay, so a quick story. At first, I actually thought that this was the venue right here, but this is actually the yellow room, which was used for blind and FMC and multi-blind and stuff like that. And here in the next clip, I actually solved a cube for this man here, and a lot of people at the bar. I got to go up to the bar, which was pretty cool. And I solved it, I don't know, like 5 times. A few of them were one-handed. I did PLO behind my back. It was really, really cool. So right here, he's making a Spanish coffee, I believe, and the Spanish coffee is supposed to have alcohol, so I don't really want to talk about it. But it looks really cool the way he's making it, so I'll let you guys watch that.
Caramelizing that sugar, like I said, preheat the glass, make sure it's hot. As you can tell, it's going to be strong. Kahlua. Delicious coffee liqueur from Mexico. Ounce and a quarter to an ounce and a half, depending on your server. We love our server. Dark Colombian roast coffee. Heavy whipped cream. Nutmeg. That is a Cuba style Spanish coffee. Can I put an extra straw for you to taste? Well, I know it's for him, but you sure you don't want it? You're not ready yet, are you? I know. Cheers. Enjoy. You're very welcome. Thank you for your patience. Enjoy.
Okay, so while I was filming this protester, because I thought he was pretty cool, we actually missed our red line train, so we had to run up to it. So as you can see, my parents are running up in front of him, trying to get a good shot, because I know I'm faster than them. So yeah, that's where I got my smoothie, and that is the train that we supposedly were supposed to get on, but then we realized that's the wrong train, and here is the right train. So we got all messed up around this time, but it was still really, really fun. Alright, so we went back to the airport and we got a shuttle back to the hotel, and this is what I saw. So here's Jared right here. Yeah, so we had a lot of cubers already in the hotel, but no one was in the venue, which I didn't even know existed at the time. So we made our way up to the room, and the next clip is pretty funny. A backstory behind this is that, like, I actually thought the venue was down here, so I was trying to make like a scenic overview, and like I wanted it to be looking really cool, but then I realized this is just where the restaurant is. So yeah. Also, towards the end of this clip, you can hear me saying like no, because I was really looking forward to looking at the venue for the first time. Okay, so here's the yellow room that I saw for the first time, and just tons of people are just talking, setting everything up, and it looks really cool because like everyone's in there.
Because you're moving here, right?
Okay, so I'm about to head up to Dan Pasishko's, I think I pronounced that right, hotel room, and we're just gonna hang out there, play some Pokemon Go. I don't know.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so I'm in Dan's room still, and we unpacked like all of our cubes, and we did race and stuff.
Wait,
Then I rode a scooter. Yeah.
Are our cubes mixed up, or that's just mine?
No, mine are all in my bag now.
Okay, cool. Except
Yeah.
for your Yushin 4x4.
Oh, dude. Okay, his Yushin 4x4 right now, his Yushin Blue, is literally heaven.
Can I shout someone out real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. This guy.
That's going in my video.
Hey.
I got you. Link in description. But yeah, this is heaven. He literally, like, oh my god. Okay, we got
I
this.
almost forgot my Rubik.
Okay guys, so we are heading downstairs to meet JR Cuber. Yeah, that's it. Just a quick update.
I had to really pull that.
Staller. That's my allowance.
Excuse me? There we go. Took too long. It's this one, dumbass.
Oh shit.
It's supposed to be vending.
Goodbye. Rip. Rip 125. Get out of here. Wait, what did you want? Oh my god! What?
That was not. What?
Wait, there's change. There's change.
Yeah, there's change. I paid exactly $1.25. Oh, and oh, here's $1.25.
Nice. Oh my god.
Okay, there we go. I counted that. There we go. Sold out. Okay, I'm just gonna. Those are good too.
Sleepy.
There we go.
Nice.
See these people sleeping?
There goes my SD card. I'm just kidding.
Okay, there we go. Fine.
Nice.
That was supposed to be like a 15-second
How do you
clip.
feel about this Fanta?
Oh, I actually like Fanta.
Love Fanta.
Everyone gets one drop of Lupical soap. Alright?
Yeah. What, have you beat me? One drop?
We're getting addicted here. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, Chris!
Oh!
Come on!
To be honest, I did not expect to win that. That 669 single in. So now you all everyone soap. Oh, God.
We got everyone on the balcony.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
Andy, count us down. Andy,
Count us down. What?
count us down.
3, 2, 1, go.
Keaton.
Oh my God, Scion of the King. We're like Scion of the King. Oh my God.
He's
5.9
too tall.
pounds of muscle, bro.
He's too tall. Like I can't get over it.
Gotta believe.
No, it won't. Like I literally can't get over his arm. Like my elbow has to come off to get him over.
Oh my God. That's not gonna frisbee.
I think it's a draw.
I think it's a battle.
Here's the problem.
Yeah, do lefty. Lefty.
Alright, I mean my left hand's definitely gonna lose.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, wait, champ?
Oh, come on. They're not gonna go anywhere.
More interesting than anything at the actual concert.
That's actually pretty funny.
8 seconds.
Ready, set, go.
Oh.
Get him, Chris.
Your arm's down.
Now he's gonna win OH. Oh no!
Like, I'm not gonna beat him while arm wrestling him.
Yeah, wait. How good are you right-handed for one hand?
Bad. Like 40 seconds bad.
Sleep down, my friend.
Oh, my wrist.
Ready, set, go. I'm taxing. Keith, you gotta want it, man. Let me get this.
You're not even trying.
Oh, are you trying?
Yes.
Let him win, he's your boss.
I'm tired from these two.
Oh, yeah, no, time for me being weak, yeah.
My wrists are like on fire. No, not from you, just all of this.
He's coming in hot. Does that mean he's good for it?
How did you just play Pokemon Go?
I don't.
Okay. Oh!
Okay, to be fair, I've done 3 people now, so when my arm just goes like that, that's not.
You didn't do me, you lost
Huh?
so fast.
I put up a fight.
Set, go.
Come on, bro. Oh.
Pretty good, pretty good. I tried. I don't bench enough 2x2s.
Guys, this is the legendary.
Hang on, I gotta do an average of 5.
Look at this. This is legendary. This is Jared Huber's main 3x3 show.
Oh my god. Want to see
good?
Want to see a PB first try?
Is it good?
It's amazing.
It's working on like 20,000 souls.
Oh great.
Hey, do you think you're gonna get some slick?
Oh man, you got like.
Oh great.
Silk, maybe. What do you think?
It's like really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, so.
I thought you were over exaggerating when you like always said it was amazing, but like,
What's the new flavor that you here?
Oh, you got
Here,
one.
I'm gonna get that.
dude, he has just sheets of them.
Here you go.
Started? Okay. Oh my god, so legendary.
Alright, yeah, no, this is pretty much
I'll see you tomorrow. It's gonna be bugging me.
Everyone will see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Jared Huber! Oh my god!
Dude, that was so funny. I saw him
Oh
and I was
man,
like, oh,
there
no.
it is.
That's the kid.
I'm getting some views.
I'm waiting for my hug.
Okay, so proceeding after this clip, or a few clips after this, we went downstairs and hung out with a lot of new cubers, again with Jared Huber, and I talked to a lot more people, and yeah, it was really fun to hang out with him. Yo guys, so I hope you enjoyed my vlog today. It was kind of shaky at some points because I was recording on my iPhone, but I think it turned out pretty well. I met a lot of new people today, including J.R. Huber, which was really awesome. I really hope that everyone does well tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday. I hope to see you guys there at Nats, and I'll see you guys later.